Smoking, eating, and drinking are not allowed half an hour before the test to avoid any interference to the test results. Cough deeply. Gargle with 1 tablespoon of water and hold the water in the mouth. Make the noise of courroux from the throat to enrich and transfer saliva from the deep throat to the oral cavity for 10 to 20 seconds. Hold the water till the test finishes. Pull out the cap of test card and place the tampon, which at the bottom of the test card, in your mouth. Tilt the tip up at an angle of 10 to 30 degrees and keep it and let saliva fully wet the tampon. Do not blow or inhale. Wait 1 to 1.5 minutes for the liquid to climb to the top of the reading window. Remove the test card. Close the lid and place the test card flat on the desktop. Read the result within 15 minutes. For a positive sample, it can be determined when the T-line appears, and there is no need to wait for extra time. Spit the rest of water into the medical waste garbage bag, and then place the test kit into the bag as well. Put this medical waste garbage bag with your general waste into your curbside bin for disposal.